Hello friends, in this short and basic video, today we will learn how to make only one page portrait in Microsoft Word. So as we can see in this Word document, all pages are landscape. So guys, if you need only one page portrait, like in my case the second page, so first thing you have to do, put your cursor in start of that page which you want to make portrait. Then click on this layout tab. In brackets, select next page, and here in orientation select portrait. So this page is portrait now. Now in the next page, put your cursor in start. In brackets, select next page, orientation, select now landscape. That's it. So this is the setting, guys. You can make only one page portrait in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.